a company that shook Wall Street, with its stock price surging over 1,700% since its IPO in 2020. This is a mysterious company founded by Peter Thiel, the godfather of the PayPal mafia and a Silicon Valley giant, with funding from the CIA right after the 9/11 attacks. Named Palantir, after the Seeing Stone from The Lord of the Rings. What exactly does this company do? Meet their eccentric philosopher CEO, Alex Karp, who gives interviews in ski gear and claims university degrees are irrelevant to skill. You cannot explain this mysterious company with just terms like big data or AI. Many view Palantir merely as a powerful data analysis tool, but its core essence is far larger and more potent. Palantir doesn't offer a mere dashboard. It delivers a massive decision operating system, designed to bring your entire company to life in real time. Today, we will fully uncover the secret at its core, the operational ontology, and the human layer that turns this technology into reality. Why is such an ambitious operating system necessary? Let's look at reality. Almost every enterprise is in a state of data chaos. The finance team's ERP system, the sales team's CRM, the factory's IoT data. They are all trapped on separate islands. Data is overflowing, but we're blocked by enormous data silos that can't communicate. We can't even get a clear, single view of how our company is operating right now. Palantir's answer is the operational ontology. It is the core architecture that imposes order on this vast chaos. We can see it in 4 phases. Phase 1, the semantic layer, maps the enterprise. Phase 2, the kinetic layer, breathes life into that map. Phase 3, the dynamic layer, predicts the future. And finally, the 4th phase, the human layer, applies it all to reality. Let's explore each one, simply. First, the semantic layer. Its mission is to impose order on the chaos, essentially drawing the map of the enterprise. It pulls in all ERP, CRM, and IoT data and translates it into a common language. This language consists of 3 elements: objects, properties, and links. It defines objects, the nouns of your business, like customer or factory. It assigns properties, like stock level or location. And it maps the links, such as, quote, a customer places an order. Once this is done, you get a unified business view, where anyone can instantly understand, for example, the stock of Part B at Factory A. Now we have a great map. But if this map were only read-only, it would be no different from old data platforms. You would only know the fact, stock is low, and stop there. This is where Palantir's first true innovation, the kinetic layer, appears. This layer defines the verbs of your business, the actions. It connects the broken bridge between analysis and execution. How is this possible? Thanks to the write-back feature? A user, having recognized low stock within the ontology, the digital twin, clicks an Approve Order action button right then and there. This decision is immediately reflected in your actual ERP system, and the order is executed. A decision made within the platform instantly changes the real-world operational system. This is the true closed loop, where analysis and execution are seamlessly linked. We have the map, semantic, and the actions, kinetic. Now for the 3rd phase, the dynamic layer, the installation of a brain into this digital twin. We no longer confine AI and machine learning models to the laboratory. The predictions from this AI are directly bound to the living business context, the ontology. For example, the result of a customer churn prediction model is updated daily as a real-time property, the churn likelihood score, on the customer object itself. The most powerful and perhaps intimidating function of this brain is future simulation. It allows for the infinite exploration of what-if scenarios. If the price of raw material A increases by 5%, how will that decision ripple through production costs, final product pricing, expected sales, and ultimately impact this quarter's profit? This complex chain reaction, which previously required top experts from multiple departments to analyze for weeks, can now be simulated and quantified in just minutes. So we have these 3 powerful layers of technology. But applying this perfect operating system to the complex reality of a client company is another challenge entirely. This is where Palantir's final secret weapon, the human layer, comes in. This is the FDE, Forward Deployed Engineer. They are different from the general consultants or engineers we know. Palantir calls them builders, not advisors. The FDE does not create thick PowerPoint slides advising, you should do this. Instead, they are dispatched directly to the client site. They work with the client to understand the problem and immediately build working code and solutions using the operating system to solve the client's problem right then and there. They serve as the most crucial bridge, connecting Palantir's powerful technology with the real, operational challenges on the ground. This is the complete picture of the Palantir operating system. Phase 1, the semantic layer, draws the map. Phase 2, the kinetic layer, enables action. Phase 3, the dynamic layer, predicts. And Phase 4, the human layer, makes it all real. Palantir is not selling a legacy system of record, a system that merely archives data. They are selling a system of action, a system that simulates the future and executes optimal behavior. So what impact will this formidable system of action have on the established consulting industry, which has earned vast amounts of money by advising, you should do this? Next time, we'll discuss the massive tectonic shift happening as this operating system dismantles the consulting industry's pyramid. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.